Ladies and gentlemen, we're back. We're going to be cleaning the Sylvia S15. Huge shout out to 3D Detailer. Now, these guys provided a lot of products for me to get this car cleaned up, ready to go. So let's see what it does before and after. The car is a complete mess, so I'm really hoping it shows some results. So we'll just take a quick look at the paint. If you can see, I've washed cars before like this, and this is really hard to take off. So I'm hoping I can buff it out or do something, but no gloss left whatsoever on this thing. And during transport, I'm thinking there was a car above it that was leaking oil because the way this car was set up. Yeah, I'm sure it leaked something. So just more work. I'm going to pressure wash it first and clean it up as much as I can. Yeah, we're going to do the interior too, but right now we're just going to concentrate on the exterior. So that's what it looks like. And we're going to try to get this car clean sometime soon too, just as dirty. Actually taking a long time to clean this car, so what we're going to do is just do the ultimate wash, soap it down, dry it off, and see how it looks. Just with one wash and that soap that I showed you guys earlier, overall looking pretty good so far. I'm probably gonna just do another coat of soap on this because it's been sitting for so long, and it's got a lot of stains on there that aren't coming off. So the soap is sticking a lot better the second time around. I don't know, the paint was just so greasy, oily, I don't know what, but the first time the soap wasn't holding on, but now it is. While I was at it, I'm just gonna clean this too. All right, so this is the final result. After 2 coats of that ultimate wash, I think it looks good. Paint is just so dull and dry from sitting for so long in the sun. You can see the stains still over here. How do you get rid of that? I've had previous cars with those stains, and it requires a lot of buffing and whatnot, and it looks like the clear coat is very thin on this car, so I'm scared to buff it down. So if you guys have any advice for me, please let me know. And same thing with this car. This one only got 1 coat, so the paint's a little bit better on this car. You can see it shine already. I also just noticed that this R34 still has a dash cam in it. Usually things like this get stolen at the port. I'm surprised it's still in there. There's an SD card in there. I'm gonna try to see if there's anything on there. And there's something in the back. It's actually pretty clean back here. But there's something in the back. What is this? Hey, a little random joint. Yeah. So that was in the back. All right, so we're gonna try to see if we can clean up some of the debris on this car. We got this clay lubricant from 3D, and pairing it up with this cloth that's designed to be strong and take off whatever we're trying to do. So it lasts 4 times stronger and leaves you a slick finish. So we'll try it out. Seems interesting. I think it'll work. That's what the cloth looks like. Soft and like a rubbery feel on this side. So you can use it for a variety of things. We're gonna try it with this though. You can actually feel the debris coming off. I don't know, to me, it looks like it is working. Oh yeah, there's actually a noticeable difference here. Now, you can't really see the difference because all it's doing is kind of taking the debris off, getting it prepped, ready for the wax, but you can actually hear it. Smooth. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it in the camera, but there is a difference. A little bit more noticeable difference, you can see the dirt coming off. All right, so this is gonna be the ultimate test. Been having a hard time with these streaks right here. I'm trying to remove them. So let's see if this works. Actually, I think it did. Oh yeah, that actually worked. Kind of. Maybe a few more times it'll come right off. I don't know, can you guys see the difference? I see it. Especially here, look at that. It works, look at that. Oh man, that's actually very good. I just realized this can take some scratches off too, like that one right there. Look at that. I like this. Actually works really good. Better than clay. It's a lot faster, that's for sure. A color comparison. We'll do some on the silver car here. Yeah, it actually works. Look at this, guys. I don't know. It's hard to capture it. Now, it does say to keep it in one direction, but I'm going to polish this car up. So I'm not too worried about any surface scratches this might cause. Yeah, there is a noticeable difference. That's the original paint right there. You can see it change. Now, this might not work on the headlights, but we'll try anyway. Actually, it looks like it is kind of working a little bit. Oh yeah, it did work a little bit. We just gotta wax it and buff it up a little bit more. I think it'll look better than what it did. Yeah, actually did work. Now I went ahead and clayed both cars just to give you an idea. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna wash these tomorrow. But the fabric does leave a little residue if you push too hard, as you can see. I'm not gonna bother with that right now. I'm gonna buff the car so it'll come right off. I'm not too worried about it. But overall, it did take out all the stains, especially on the doors. So it does work. And I did on this car too. Didn't need it as much as Sylvia, but I did it all around. You can see the residue it leaves behind all over, but once we wash the car, it'll take care of it. I mean, overall, I think it looks great. All I did was wash it with the 3D Ultimate Wash. and then the clay lubricant, and then washed it again. It did bring out some shine back to the car. So next up, I'm gonna try to actually wax and detail it. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.